Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Talks. Today we're going to learn something about joints in concrete. Well, there are three types of joints. Most people look at a concrete slab and see a solid, reliable surface. I look at it and see a drama queen waiting for a reason to fall apart. Here's the problem. Concrete is a liquid rock, but as it cures, it has a total identity crisis. Water evaporates, the slab shrinks, and because it's stuck to the ground, it cannot move. This creates internal tensile stress. Basically, the slab is pulling itself apart from the inside out 5 hours after it's born. If we don't step in, it will shatter into spider web of cracks just to spite us. This brings us to joint number 1, control joint, or also called contraction joint. Since we know a crack is coming, right? We give the slab a cheat code. We take a saw or a trowel and cut a groove exactly 1/4 of the way down. This is the plane of weakness. We are essentially whispering to the slab, hey, you're gonna have a breakdown? Do it right here, in this line. So my boss doesn't yell at me. It's a controlled failure that keeps the rest of the surface looking like we actually knew what we are doing. Next up, joint number 2, isolation joint or expansion joint, or as I like to call it, the restraining order. The concrete doesn't just shrink. When it gets hot, it expands like it's trying to win an eating contest. If you pour a slab right against a rigid wall, it will try to push the wall. So we leave a full depth gap and fill it with something squishy, usually foam. It's a literal buffer zone that lets the slab and the building live in the same neighborhood without ever actually touching. Finally, we have a joint number 3, construction joint. You know what? Engineers are human. Sometimes concrete truck is late, or it's already 5 p.m. and it's time to go home. Well, today's work meets tomorrow's. That's the joint. Construction joint, my man. But you cannot just leave a raw edge. We use steel dowel bars to bridge the gap. These bars let the slabs shrink horizontally, but lock them together vertically, so you don't trip over a concrete step on your way to breakfast burrito. Alright, now let's summarize. In short, control joints manage the shrinkage drama. We know that. Isolation joints keep the peace between the structures, and construction joints handle our quitting time. Engineering isn't about being perfect. It's about knowing exactly how things are going to fail. Not only that, and make sure it happens on your schedule also. Anyways, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos. See you in the next one.